morning, my name is Jordain Clarke and I'm a proud student of Ruseas High School. In the future, I aspire to become a biomedical engineer. With this scholarship sponsored by Janice Durant Portugal, I will further my education. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is Donna Anderson, the administrator at Ruseas High School. I am here to congratulate my student, Jordain Clarke. He is the recipient of a scholarship from Dr. Cornelia Jones, a philanthropist. I am certainly elated that someone would have come on board to assist our students in the rural areas, because indeed we have students who have socioeconomic challenges, and so she has provided this scholarship of $50,000 to assist a student. So I'm here encouraging Jamaica, just identify a student in the rural area so that the assistance can be given for them to reach their goal of attaining a career that will make them better off, and certainly they will in turn pass on this kind of love to the rest of Jamaica and the nation as a whole. Thank you so much.